This trap can be used as a way to help farmers, growers, consultants, extension agents, whoever uses it, to help them scout for these pests. And so with this, we actually launched a app this summer. It's called our Arc Farm Intelligent app, and basically it is on your phone, so I can have all access to whatever this trap is taking a picture, and we try to take a picture at the same time every day so it stays consistent, and it'll go to my phone. And so I'm actually able to, I have 120 traps spread out close to 5,000 acres in Georgia, and I also have some in Alabama, some in Florida, and I put some onto Warren's fields out here.
When I think about this region, I think about how much opportunity is here. When you look at those fields, you think about what's growing, but we also know that there are moments where we've got to do more to protect what we have and to plant what we need. One of the reasons I'm running is that we are in a moment of generational change. This is one of the fastest growing states in the country, and in Georgia, 1 in every 7 jobs is in agriculture. Making sure that we are taking what you all learned here and spreading it across the state. Urban farms, micro farms, small farms. I want to make
I was one of the first ones to travel deep south talking about agriculture. We've thrown a lot of words around. One we've thrown around is diversity. I don't see very many black students being recruited by Syngenta, FMC, Teva, or Bayer, any of the major ones.
Something come through that was crazy, you know what I'm saying? You was ready. All your crimes. You got something.
So what from planning to the time you pick it, how many months is that?
Hey, come in numbers, boy. What's 5.5, 6 months?
5.5, 6 months?
No matter what, once the cotton get a certain amount of heat units, it'll catch up with the older cotton. It'll catch up with it. So by the time you finish picking your older cotton, you can go right into picking your younger cotton non-stop.
The current price on cotton right now is just a hair under $1.16. So if he can make 1,000 pounds out there, you know, you're looking at 700 pounds going to pay for the input of that cotton, and then everything over that 700 pounds he's making a profit on. So there is some profit to be made, but you do have to watch what you're doing because you have to have the correct inputs at the correct time, the correct varieties. And talking
Grade 5. Soybeans are commonly as sandy brown dirt in Little North.
Hey, I'm
Nicole. I'm Jennifer. I'm Jasmine. And we're from Fashion Soul Kitchen, located at 203 Courtney Hodges Boulevard, right across from the fairgrounds in Perry, Georgia, y'all. Y'all want some good seafood, soul food, or barbecue? On the Fashion, we are the blue truck at the Texaco gas station. You cannot miss us. I promise. You are not going to want to miss this taste of heaven we got for you, love.
The opportunity to work with you and to work for you. And we're in session every year for 40 days. The Georgia General Assembly convenes the second Monday in January, and we're there from January all the way down to April.
Thank you so much. You took us to church this afternoon. In my other job, I'm an ordained minister. But good afternoon to you all. As was mentioned, my name is Arthur Tripp, and I'm our State Executive Director for the Farm Service Agency. I was appointed to this position by President Biden back in October, and we've had a lot to work to do since that point. Some folks may...
Then his father proudly passed down the generational tradition of farming when he sold Warren his first 150-acre tract of land in 1991. Warren later purchased an additional 120 acres in 1996 and installed irrigation for all of his acreage. A CNN article printed in the Macon Telegraph
tour to Mr. Leroy James Sr. for his commitment to production, agriculture, and diversity. Proverbs 13:22, a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Presented August 26, 2022. Thank you, James family.